turn. Shallow right turn. Perfect. Where the heading for?
0 kilo, airborne time 18 and flight plan is exit.
Thank you. We are departing via Bravo, currently climbing to 2,400 feet.
Then copy you may leave the frequency. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Up to 6,500 feet without coordination.
Roger, climbing 6,500 feet, Oscar.
We're going to go for it.
Own discretion, so
Right.
maybe if you see a nice bright light.
Well, there's, yeah. Is there a bit there? A bit of blue through that cloud?
It looks like it.
There's -1.
Yeah. Still looking good.
Yeah.
Blue sky up there.
Yep. I think if you turn a bit left. That's it.
Yeah.
Hey.
Hey. That's what we wanted to see.
Yeah, well done.
And no ice.
Nice. Speak up. There's a little bit of
Light
frost on
Or
the...
lost light frost, isn't
Yeah, super.
It's 38 knots here.
Yeah.
So should we go up then?
Yeah, that's right. We have to get up anyway, I think.
8,500.
Yeah. In the meantime, I think I have the whole route now. Along the, Trainer, good afternoon. It's Oscar Echo Delta Sierra Kilo with you. 8,500 feet for Linz 1011. We are heading directly to Linz.
Oscar Delta Sierra Kilo, and your intentions, you want to turn IFR now?
Yeah, we're happy to transit IFR. Give us a chance.
Oscar Delta Sierra Kilo, ready to copy clearance?
Ready?
Oscar Delta Sierra Kilo, cleared to Echo Delta Delta, moment via route requested, flight level 140, IFR starts when passing flight level 120, and squawk 4511.
Yeah, we are already squawking 4511 and we're getting to Saarbruken. Flight plan route, flight 140, IFR starts passing flight 120. Actually, if it's possible, we would like to transit flight level 100. Is that possible?
Oscar Sierra Kilo, that is approved, and you are cleared to Saarbruken, not to Salzburg.
Right, Saarbruken, yeah, of course.
Okay, flight level 100 then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Off we go.
-8 now.
Yeah. And the colder it gets, the less chance of icing we have.
That's right, yeah.
Yeah.
So we're better higher up.
Yeah. And also the wind here is only 29 knots.
Yeah.
Good. It's a direct headwind, isn't it? Yeah.
Clearly.
Don't forget standard pressure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Oh, it goes like a dream.
It's lovely, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it does. -12.
Surely we're too
Yeah.
cold for ice now.
I don't know. It's only tiny little. It's amazing how much difference that little bit makes, isn't it?
Yeah. Although we're probably seeing a bit on the wing, but we're probably picking up a load on stuff like the gear. that we
Yeah.
can't see that's probably
Yeah.
adding to the drag.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, on the antennas, tail.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Squawk 7420, Oscar Sierra Kilo.
Just can't shake this today, can we?
Just about, you know, the time, just about the top.
I feel like we've only just started burning into the main tanks, look.
Yeah, I know. Amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
If you look at the range. See? Make it to the
We can
UK.
actually still make it to the UK, can't we? It's coming off slowly, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It kind of evaporates off.
Yeah.
Line radar, good afternoon, this is Oscar Echo Delta Sierra Kilo, flight 1202 X-Wing. Squawk 1243, Oscar Sierra Kilo. Oh, now it's looking good.
Yeah. And that's pretty much where we expected it to drop away, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's pretty much where we expected it to improve. And we've got a satellite update as well.
Oh, good, yeah.
It's all showing good. We're definitely going to Saarbruken today.
Made a big difference to get here.
Yeah.
Don't hope the airplane is iced up in the morning.
And that's, yeah.
Yeah, I've got any spray. Brought it with me. And it didn't come with a cover, did it?
No. But it doesn't help much if your wings are iced over.
No, that's true.
that's
Do you think they have hangarage at Saarbruken?
You usually do.
Yeah, well, it's fine putting it in a hangar, isn't
It's
it?
a bit of a faff to get it, but yeah, if you want it in the hangar, I think it's possible. I've had aircraft in the hangar there, but I seem to think that the temperature on the ground overnight there is about maybe down to 3 or 4 degrees, and then it starts coming up again.
Right, okay. That should be okay. Oh, right, well, it's quite cold, isn't it?
Yeah. So
And it's overcast 1800, so...
so you can set up for the ILS, radar
Yes,
vectors for the
yeah.
ILS, yeah?
Yeah.
That cloud doesn't look very thick at all.
No. Should be a beautiful arrival, I think.
You'll be down in positive temperature by the time.
We can think about
Because
it.
if it's standard, if the temperature is 3, we should actually get into positive temperature at about 3,000 feet QNH, 2,000 feet over ground, yeah? So
Right,
if
yeah.
it goes down by 1.5 degree per 1,000 feet, as a
Yeah.
rule of thumb.
Yeah,
But it might not be enough to get it off.
I'm not sure it will be.
No. So if we still have eyes on the airframe, just don't put full landing flaps on, and then look in your
Yeah.
table, and you'll see the approach speed with flaps takeoff. I think. Approach VREF flaps
here we are.
takeoff,
Ah, here we are.
and then we put in the
Where
weight.
are we? So we're...
That's our weight, landing about 12.10 or 12.6.
Yeah, so about, I said about 8, so I'd normally be 75, so
Yeah.
about 80 maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, because our landing weight was 1250.
Oh, okay.
So it was we ended up quite heavy with that.
I think
we're also carrying some extra weight as well with the ice, aren't we? So
yeah.
Yeah, that's true. Maybe close to 85.
So I think 85 is a good guess. Lange radar, Oscar Echo Delta Sierra Kilo, will you fly level 120 to X-SUEV, very information Bravo QNH 1020.
Oscar Echo Delta Sierra Kilo, Lange radar identified, information Bravo, correct.
Vertical track.
And Oscar Sierra Kilo standing by for descent.
Oscar Sierra Kilo, roger, descent flight level 70.
Descent flight level 70, Oscar Sierra Kilo. Just up, I'll keep it up near the yellow line if there's no turbulence.
All right, yeah.
60, probably.
I teach my students consistent speeds.
Yeah. I teach myself consistent, get there.
Yeah, we're not. Right, okay. So.
In one piece, preferably.
Right, so we've got the 80s. We're still on a flight level.
Yeah.
I've put tower in then standby, 355. Yeah, so it's the 18th of April.
April 25, yeah.
11-1. ILS Zulu, runway 26. 80s we've got 125480. Langham radar 129675 and 118355 in standby. Ground 118555.
Altitude 4,000 feet, QNH 1020. To 4,000 feet.
And so we've got 111.1 DSB set and identified, and the DME though I put the BOR frequency.
Yep.
SAD, C Alpha Delta 11675.
Yep.
And the final approach course 264.
Yeah, it will come up automatically when we change over.
Okay. Yeah, and then platform altitude 3,500 feet. And decision altitude 1,260, which is set.
Set.
And that's 200 feet above airfield elevation.
Yep.
MSA is 4,000 feet in all directions. So missed approach is direct to these RNAV points. So it's straight ahead, DR511. Climb on course 264 at or above 1900, turn right to DR512. And then 4,000 feet, DR514. And then
Oscar Echo Delta Sierra Kilo, descent to altitude 5,000 feet, QNH 1020.
Down to 5,000, QNH 1020, Oscar Sierra Kilo. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward.
So it's just, we are on a long final.
Yeah.
It's a 3-degree glide path.
Yep.
It's in Class E airspace. Might be some VFR traffic. Final approach fix is at 7.5. We're going to configure, this will switch to green needles. I'm going to configure when it's half scale. I'm going to select a power setting, 20-25%, see what it gives me, about 85 to 90 knots.
Yeah.
Indicated.
Yeah, so...
and then I'll put the flaps to take off once I'm there.
Then 500, we expect to see the runway at about 2,000 feet above the ground, so maybe at 3,000 feet. And at 1,500 feet, 500 feet over ground, we are stable and we just leave the flaps at the takeoff if there is still ice on the airframe. And even if it disappears in the last couple of hundred feet, we just land, but you can then reduce the speed by 5 knots.
Yeah, and then I've got, I'm not used to flying a DA40 with a higher off the ground.
No.
No, so we have to make sure I don't...
It's actually, in my opinion, easier than...
Yeah. Well, we'll see. As long as I don't flare too late.
Your touchdown is just a little bit higher, maybe that much higher than usual. If you could adjust that, you're good.
Okay. Right, we'll make sure we do that then. But it's a bit early for the fuel pump, isn't it?
Yeah. So basically it's just fuel pump and flaps.
Yeah.
4,000 feet, cleared the ILS approach, runway 27, report established. Oscar Sierra.
Yeah, 26.
Kilo to make sure it's the ILS Zulu approach for runway 26.
Yeah, confirm it's the ILS Zulu approach, runway 26. Oscar Sierra Kilo.
Glide slopes alive. Temperature's -7. And then localizer's armed. That's coming in.
Yep. Yeah, so the localizer is armed, the glide slope is armed, and it's all good.
Station just calling in, say again.
Yeah, one to go.
Wild 11, descent flight level 60. 575. To Data 575, jump on to Hotel.
And Oscar Sierra Kilo established localizer runway 27.
Six.
Oscar Kilo Roger, report fully established to tower 118.355.
Tower 118.355, Oscar Sierra Kilo, bye-bye. Saarbruken Tower, good afternoon, it's Oscar, good Delta Sierra Kilo, established localizer runway 27.
Oscar Echo Delta Sierra Kilo Saarbruken Tower, Hallöchen, wind 310 degrees, 3 knots, runway 26, clear to land.
Clear to land runway 26, Oscar Sierra. And we can see the ground already, ground contact. Temperature is still -3, we can see the road, approach lights.
Yep. Maps to approach. Glide slopes should engage.
Yep.
That has. And I'm looking for about 85-90 indicated. Lights are on, the fuel pump's on.
Yep.
Maps are in approach.
All is set. Temperature is now at the freezing point. Still got 1,500 feet. Ish.
Wind check 300 degrees, 3 knots.
So we said 85 knots.
Yep. We're committed to land.
Committed now, yeah.
Just get it down. Stormwater's working. Very neat.
Yeah, it was a bit late, but
Welcome to Saarbruken.
Yeah. Herzlich. To the end via Charlie, to the apron with the Marshall Oscar Sierra Kilo. Oh, brave man.